Resting. One of the most amazing things about doing Pilates, of course, is when you finish doing it. But it's also very important that you know how to relax properly. Okay, one of the things that people tend to get wrong is when they're lying on their back and they feel very uncomfortable lying on their back, is because firstly, the back is too arched, or the chin is doing this, or your head's sliding back like that. You need to be able to get your head into a position that's comfortable. So if you can't lie like this, either put a rolled up towel, or if it's a big problem, a little small ball behind the head, and just keeping your arms down by the side, getting yourself into that relaxed position. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Every time you exhale, you want to focus on engaging your core muscles, because we're not just looking at the cosmetic, okay, the muscles that people see all the time. We're looking at those deep muscles. We want to start working all of the ones right from here up to here that we don't see, especially if you have a wine cooler over your six-pack, you know what I mean. So first of all, you want to focus on, when you exhale, rib cage is closing down, spine is pressing into the mat. You've got to think about your navel as being north, your pubic bone as being south, and then east and west on either side. So first of all, you want to tilt the pelvis so that you're pressing the spine down into the mat, bringing it back towards your navel. And then you inhale, releasing it back to your neutral spine. If you take it the other way, and please don't do this if you have back issues, you want to take it south, where you get a big arch into your lower back and your ribs will flare out. This is what you want to avoid, anything that looks like this. You want to protect the lower back at all times. So you can take it down, just rock it from side to side, feel where your east and west are, and then releasing it back to neutral. And you can do this at the beginning and end of every single one of your workout sessions, just so that you are getting that nice little bend into the spine, articulating through all the vertebrae. Close your eyes, focus on your breath. Inhale and exhale. And your neutral position will become natural to you. It's just a place where you can just pop your hands underneath your back slightly, not too much of an arch. If you find that you've got a very arched back, then just bring those ribs down a little bit more, flattening it a bit more out. From here, you'll take it into all kinds of positions, like doing your crunches, doing opening legs to the sides, taking it away into big stretches, making sure that you have got all of the balance happening here, that you don't lose that connection between your back and the mat. And we'll show you how to do those exercises in another video.